Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use round down function in Excel. So, here is a figure 154.239 and we will see how we can round down this figure. So, we will write formula that is equal and then round down. You can see here the round down function. Click on this and now select number. First parameter is number, select the number and comma, and after that you see number digit. How many decimal places you want to round down this value. Suppose I am selecting 2 and bracket close and enter. So you can see it has round down the value to 2. And similarly, if I want to round it to 1, then I will delete it 2 and write 1 and enter. So you can see it has rounded the value to 2. And if we want to round it to the whole numbers, we will again go in there and change this one into 0. And you can see it has round down to whole number. So this is how you can use roundoff function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.